I would describe our design style as warm modern.
I'm the warm, he's the modern.
Right? So very warm and comfortable like Megan, but also modern and visually impactful. I always wanted to live in a glass house in the woods, mid-century modern furniture. And I've always looked at Megan as this fashionista. She's in the know of what's next and what's happening now, and that really has influenced me, and I've evolved to more softness. We are more known for neutrals and texture, and that's still what we respond to most positively.
And I think that's why people hire us for the most part. We have a studio, Sharp Furniture Company in the neighborhood, and everything is very neutral in that space. And that's really so that the client can maybe see where their personality could be infused into that. My name is Megan Sharp.
I'm Patrick Sharp.
And I am the principal of Mr. and Mrs. Sharp.
And I'm the principal of Mr. and Mrs. Sharp.
We are based in Chattahoochee Hills, Georgia, south of Atlanta.
And in the community of Serenbe. Serenbe is a sustainable community in Chattahoochee Hills. We're about 45 minutes south of Atlanta. We're committed to developing only 30% of the actual natural landscape, and to do so responsibly. So all the homes are Earthcraft certified, and it's also a very design-forward, very art-centric community. Serenbe came together with Rue Magazine and several sponsors to create this show house. And it's also a model home for Vincent Longo Custom Homes. It's a pretty modern structure. It's quite boxy, and we love a clean lined house. Oak floors, incorporated curves as much as we could. So you'll see curves in the fireplace, the hood of the kitchen to soften things up a little bit. Different types of marble, from the furniture to the countertops. All the bathrooms are clad in beautiful Ansax tile. Welcome to Rue House. We're entering on the terrace floor, but we wanted to make sure you didn't feel like you were walking into a basement. So we really wanted to make it special and design forward. So this Mod Moda tile, it's a Mod Moda mosaic by Ansax, really fits the bill, so impactful. We love the gray and the white. We also did a white oak paneling behind us, and all the way up the staircase we have this great sculpture by local artists Rachel Garceau and Christine Genet. I love this art from Patrick Brian Johnson, also a Serenbe artist. And then we have this great drop zone, kind of a mudroom over here. It's just this nice little niche under the staircase that we were able to continue the Mod Moda mosaic, and we added this Philip Jeffries wallpaper. We love to mix patterns in playful areas like this. Welcome to the rec room or family room. It's on the terrace level. We wanted it to be light and bright and fun. So we have this ping pong table, big sectional, plenty of club chairs, and there's this kitchenette over here or wet bar. Has some extra wine storage. The Savoy Circle Ansax tile that we have on the back wall. I love it layered with the brass shelving that we have. It goes all the way from the countertop to the ceiling. It's kind of acting like a wallpaper.
We have a really special wine storage area. It is iron and glass. And typically when you see an enclosure like this, it's a black iron color, but we decided to go a little bit lighter with it and do something a little bit different. So we have this light gray with the glass, and we also coordinated that paint color to go with the ping pong table.
Love having a ping pong table in a rec room, especially if it looks like this. This is a really special custom piece from Venture Games. It's a local company, and they were able to paint it our shade of white and our shade of gray. So we love this thing. So a lot of comfortable furniture in this room. We really like the neutral tones. I love this big gray cashmere stripe down this wing chair. It kind of gives a modern element to this more traditional silhouette. Every family room needs a nice comfortable sectional. Love this stone table, talking about bringing those natural elements. All right, let's go upstairs. And so our staircase has the wood paneling, and then we're in our living room. Large enough for 2 different seating areas. So we have back-to-back universal furniture sofas, ample chairs for large parties. Again, we have our natural elements with marble tables, and I love the textural rugs in here. I think the rugs are from Loloy, is that right?
Yeah, it just adds another good foundation, warm element, lots of texture.
And you can sit here, enjoy your beverage, and enjoy a roaring fire. Also in this room, this window over here opens up to the entire outside. It's best of both worlds, indoor, outdoor living. We have 2 different sectionals out here, both from our house. All the outdoor furniture for the home was for our house.
So welcome to the main kitchen. What we love about this kitchen is this huge island. It's perfect for parties. And we wanted to highlight this beautiful stone. It is Calacatta Fantastico from Ann Sachs. It is a full slab of thin stone, and we like how modern it is with the thinness. This island, you could host a party, you could have a buffet. It is really functional. We have this beautiful Brizo pull-down faucet and the accompanying pot filler for pasta night, maybe. And then we continued the slab of the Calacatta Fantastico on the wall for the backsplash.
Other notable things about the kitchen is the signature kitchen suites package that we have. So we have this beautiful range. I love this plaster hood above with the curves that go all the way around the back. Really adds a lot of warmth to the space. Not just the shape, but the plaster too. The custom cabinetry is by Bell Cabinetry here in Atlanta. Love this door style. That door style continues on the refrigerator and the freezer.
It's nice that people can come from the living room, get a drink, not be in the kitchen in the way of whoever's cooking.
Absolutely, and this has the same Calacatta Fantastico that's in the kitchen, and it has a waterfall edge too. Cheers.
Cheers.
The backsplash here is Ann Sachs Savoy. I think it's called a small stack, and it's kind of serving as a wallpaper again behind these brass floating shelves.
And this is yet again another opportunity for your glassware, just easy to access with the open shelves. It's very clean with the glass, and I think it's just really special. We have these panel ready refrigerators here. They're perfect for extra wine or extra drinks that are just keeping chilled here. There's 2 of these right underneath each other. And then over on this side is the ice machine, also panel ready. So we are in the dining room, and this is an art installation by Christine Genet. She uses wood veneers that she's ribboned around, and she also uses natural clays and elements that she finds just in the soil here around the neighborhood in Serenbe. And it just turned out really beautiful. It really does add so much character to the room. I love these chairs from Universal. They have casters on them, so for dining, it's perfect to go in and out. And they're also a performance fabric, so very comfortable, just very easy, perfect for big dinner parties. This is the main entrance hall, and we have a piece of art by Patrick Johnson. We did a little dark moment here of a high gloss paint with some millwork. We have an artist featured in here. His name is Thomas Swanston. He uses a lot of silver leaf, gold leaf. It just kind of brightens up the place, adds a little sparkle. The Arabescato Corsia countertop from Ann Sachs. On top of the Bell Cabinetry underneath, it has touch latch doors. No hardware.
And I was going to show you one of 4 guest rooms. This one is painted Sherwin-Williams. I think it's called Cyberspace. And we have a nice king-size bed in here, really cozy room. Another piece by Patrick Brian Johnson, ample lighting from Regina Andrews, and I'd like to show you this great ensuite bathroom. It doesn't have any windows, but you'd never miss it because of the impact of Lisboa Diamante from Ann Sachs. The tile is used on all of the walls, all of the dry walls. We kind of use it as wallpaper, and we have the Arabescata Corsia and more Ann Sachs tile in the shower and the herringbone on the floor. We're on our way to the primary suite. We have more Patrick Brian Johnson hanging in the hallway, and then we're going to enter into the primary bathroom. Really beautiful marble bathroom. We have Bianca Gioia on the floors and on the walls, and a slab countertop, custom cabinetry by Bell Cabinetry.
I love how thick it is.
I love the mitered edges to make it look like such a huge chunk of marble.
Then this is the fluted tile. It's like our favorite thing in the whole house. It's Terrazzo Renato from Ann Sachs. We absolutely adore it. It just feels so good in here, and I wish I could take a bath in this tub. It's so good.
It does work beautifully with the marble. We also carried it into the shower.
You can have a party in the shower.
It's true. So again, the Gioia on the wall, the Renata also comes in a mosaic that we have on the floor and the ceiling. Now we're going to show you the primary bedroom. We have this beautiful fuzzy bed from Universal Furniture. Again, we carried the white oak slat walls in here for warmth, and this beautiful light fixture from Regina Andrews. My favorite feature of the primary suite is you have your own entrance to this beautiful backyard and pool area.
Wait for it. This is quite possibly my favorite part of the house. Walking up these teak stairs, we have the pool. There's a pool deck here that's a little bit more shallow where we have some lounge chairs. The deeper section up front here. And then across the way, there's another teak deck with a day bed. Perfect place to lounge, relax, get some sun.
Multiple seating areas outside, so your little coffee nook off the primary. There's a dining room, there's a living room, there's a fireplace here. We got the Tennessee stone everywhere and a limestone terrace floor.
So we're really happy with the way this house came together and turned out. I really enjoy coming into an empty, beautifully well-designed, finished home that Patrick has created, and add the warm textures of the rugs, the furniture, the accessories, artwork, bring new energy to the home. Once you add those final touches, it does really feel finished.
We accomplished what we set out to do by creating this warm home. It feels like it's got some wow factor to it. I'm very happy with the result.